Welcome to a brand new series of Vanita Ventures. This time I'm in magical Cappadocia, Turkey, where two wonderful local ladies will teach me how to cook traditional Turkish dishes. In this journey, I'm bringing together my love for traveling, cooking, and meeting locals. This is the very first episode of The Shared Spoon, from local hearts to the table. So we came here to Makbule's house because we're gonna be cooking typical Turkish food with her mom. So as she mentioned before, we're gonna leave now our stuff and then we're gonna be picking some grape leaves for this dish. So I'm so excited because I'm a big fan of Turkish food and learning how to make in a proper way is so exciting.
We take off shoes.
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, we do the same at home.
For you, this is for you.
Okay, thank
cool.
you.
There we go.
Hello. Nice to meet
She's
you.
my mom, she's my aunt, her sister.
Nice to meet you. Beautiful, your cat. Leon.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's so cute. Okay, thank you.
We will do two traditional Turkish meal.
Okay.
We will collect grape leaf and we will do in grape leaf.
Okay.
And also same inside we will put with vegetables.
Amazing.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is very traditional. We are calling dolma.
Dolma.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other one is we are calling manti. Manti is we open dough.
Okay.
And we put some beef
Inside.
beef and onion. We close and we boil and we eat with yogurt and sauce.
Oh yeah, manti. Yeah, I know. Yeah. The Turkish ravioli, the manti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like this?
Yes, a lot. Yeah, very good.
We need to collect the grape leaves.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is our neighbor garden.
Okay.
These are the grapes?
Yes.
Grapes leaves.
Like this, medium. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So from the grapes you eat everything. Also the leaves. Yes. This one? Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay? No. This one no.
This is my neighbor, no problem.
No problem.
I will give you this.
So this is amazing. You can take from your neighbor's garden
Yeah, it's
grapes and stuff. It's
No
like
problem.
You share. and
they,
there's
yeah,
no
yeah, we
problem.
share and they say every time, please take what you want.
That's so lovely. What are we going to do with this? I'm so excited, so curious to know. So we put them on the pot. Yes?
Yes.
What is your name?
Sema.
Sema.
My name is Sema.
Sema.
Sema.
Sema.
Sembra.
Sembra. Sema and Sembra. Okay.
Sisters.
Sisters, easy to remember. Sema, Sembra. We started by cleaning the peppers, and Makbule explained that you can also make this dish with red peppers or even eggplants. While Sembra is carefully boiling the grape leaves until they become soft and tender, I'm here with Sema preparing the filling. We are mixing together fresh parsley, onions, rice, and meat, the heart of the dolma. Every step is done with so much care, and I'm learning that this dish is really about passion, love, and tradition. Yes.
Dur anne şey.
How many? One?
Kaç tane diyor?
Yarım.
Half.
Half.
Okay. Yok ya.
So the rice is raw because it will cook when we are cooking the... More? Good? Good.
Salça getir.
Paprika powder. You know, salt. Okay?
Şimdi
Geldin mi
salça.
Hasan?
Gonna mix.
Oh.
Oh! Now it's better. Now we can cook.
Maşallah.
Good.
Good. Oh, wow.
Tomato paste.
Okay?
Enough? Enough.
Enough. Good.
Şimdi yoğur bak.
Yurba. Undu yurba.
Yurba diyor. Yur bakalım. Yur, it means mix.
Okay.
We need to add also oil.
olive oil.
Olive oil. Wow. I love olive oil. Amazing. Yur. Mix. I'm learning to speak Turkish here. Not only cooking, also learning how to speak Turkish. Now it's time to fill the dolma. What's fascinating is that the rice goes in raw. It will cook together with the meat and vegetables later, soaking up all the flavors. Each grape leaf is rolled carefully, almost like wrapping a little gift.
Asıl sanat burada.
This is like art.
It is! Wow! Okay, so this one like this. Sık. Okay. Sık.
Sık means
Push.
push.
Şurayı.
Should I?
Tamam.
You did it.
My first sarma! So now we are about to make manti, which are these Turkish kind of ravioli. First, we put some butter here on top. Looks so yummy already. For how long is she cooking?
Ne kadar süre pişecek diyor?
Bir saat.
Around 1 hour.
1 hour boiling. Super easy. For the manti, the filling is actually very similar to dolma, but without the rice, onions, parsley, and beef. Okay?
Yeah, Yur.
Yur. The most important step here is something the ladies call yur, which in Turkish means to mix, and they really mean mix, working the meat until it's soft, tender, and almost creamy in texture. That's what gives manti its special taste.
Yur.
Yur!
Her şey
Yur!
lazımmış yur.
Okay?
Anne, koyayım mı daha?
Good. Once the dough is ready and well kneaded, we leave it to rest. This step is important. It makes the dough easier to roll out and gives the manti its perfect texture. 20 minutes, more or less.
Ne yaptın ya?
Yeah, 5 minutes. Okay. And you can see already that the rice is getting cooked. Smells so nice already. So nice.
Şöyle. 5 dedik ki.
This one?
Kulak. Kulak ne?
This is the... We say this is the, this softness.
Yes?
The dough should be this.
The dough should be this soft.
This soft.
Okay. Good. Yeah, good.
Dur ben bunu bir göstereyim sana da.
Yes,
Öyle diyor.
I'm already a pro on this, so.
Azıcık büyütün de öyle vereyim bana.
Okay, good.
Şu kıyma buzluğa mı koyayım baba? Hem de buranın pidesini. Şuraya. Şuraya doğru gel.
Okay.
Same.
Now comes my favorite part, shaping the manti with Sema and Sembra. We roll out the dough into this sheet, cut it into tiny squares.
Yoruldun mu?
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Good, nice.
Nice.
Maşallah.
Mashallah.
Suke.
Suke.
Like square.
And place a little bit of filling in the center. Then, with careful hands, we pinch the corners together to form these beautiful little dumplings. Zug.
Sık. Sık.
Suk. So, you said Italian, big.
Şey, large. Turkish.
Turkish, small. Because the Turkish ravioli, the manti, are small, look. See?
İkiz var.
Each one is unique, and it's amazing to see how a simple piece of dough becomes such a delicate traditional dish. I'm already a pro, look at this. Wow, these ones look so beautiful. They are more fatty now.
Yeah, look at the
They're
rice.
bigger. The rice is getting cooked. Smells amazing.
Bir tane pişiyor.
5 minutes.
Kaç dakika?
Okay, when it's boiling.
They don't have time.
Is butter or margarine? Butter. Okay.
We don't use margarine.
Okay, that's good.
Butter and olive oil we use.
Very good. That's healthier. Yeah, like in Italy.
Açık.
Biraz daha aç. Şey,
Tomates.
this is garlic, yogurt.
Wow.
Tuz zaten. Al.
And salt.
And salt. Okay.
Tamam.
No. Okay.
Work.
Work.
She says please open music.
Yeah, Turkish music.
Turkish music?
Yeah, of course.
Maşallah.
Mashallah. You.
Sen de diyor.
Okay.
Yoğurdu tencereye karıştır.
Wow. Okay.
Butter.
We have the manti here. We've been working so much in the kitchen. Afiyet olsun.
Teşekkürler.
Thank you. Let's taste.
Seçin
Az
ondan
daha
peçete
pişirebilirim.
versene.
Nice.
Very good. Super good. Amazing. I never thought I was going to eat the grape leaves.
Ekmek alsaydık keşke ya.
And how beautiful it looks. Wow.
If you want,
Ekmek yemiyor musun?
I like to put yogurt on it.
Okay.
But Seçkin doesn't like. If you want, you can try with yogurt.
I like it.
Teşekkürler.
Afiyet olsun.
Wow.
Bakayım ne
It's
kadar.
amazing.
Güzel. Güzel. Gayet güzel.
It's like a spinach.
Çok güzel.
No? Kuse? Like a spinach.
Nice.
Nice.
Ispanak gibi
Very
değil.
nice. Honestly, it's not hard. I feel it good. Very good. I don't know how is the that you guys
Softer.
make it softer, but it tastes amazing. And this one, wow,
Lezzeti iyi.
super
Tamam.
tender. Experience has been truly beautiful. Another reminder that language is never a barrier when food is involved. This is the paradise. Wow. Super good job. Amazing. Cooking together, sharing traditions, and laughing along the way showed me how food connects us all. I have enjoyed every moment with this wonderful family and learned so much about Turkish culture through their kindness and their kitchen. See you in the next episode of the Share the Spoon, from local hearts to the table. Bye!